May, June 2021, paper 21, IGCSE Cambridge, and this question for IGCSE students. Question 29, a student rubs a plastic rod with a cloth. The point is both plastic rod and cloth, they are neutral. It means there is no netted charge. The number of positive charges equal to the number of electrons on the both surfaces of plastic and cloth. The rod becomes positively charged. Okay, when you see here in this diagram, when you rub both the rod and the cloth, whatever is glass or plastic with the cloth, he said the rod becomes positively charged. Okay, what happened? It's due to friction. These electrons are transferred from the surface of the glass rod or the plastic rod. So the direction of the flow of electrons, they're moving from the plastic to the cloth. So the cloth becomes net negatively charged. And these electrons become energetic because of this friction. The process happened in step one. So finally, the plastic rod becomes positively charged. So what does it mean? It means that the rod, once it becomes positively charged, it has lost electrons. So the correct answer, which is C.